What's up? Jeff Discher, real estate broker of the Discher Group, and today give you guys some real estate info, some tips, and to prepare you home buyers out there, and actually you home sellers can learn something from this as well. We are in the shifting market. It's getting a little more, we're starting to see the shift of the power a little more back to the buyers. We're seeing properties sit a little bit longer. We're seeing buyers get closing costs paid. We're seeing buyers getting offers under asking price accepted. We're seeing repairs getting done. We're seeing a whole different market. In the last 2 months, the market has completely shifted from a super strong seller market to a, I don't want to say neutral market because it's still a heavy seller market based off the supply. However, in San Diego, I would say it's shifted more towards a buyer's market for the time being. We're not seeing multiple offers on most properties. We're not seeing crazy way over asking price offers. We're not seeing appraisals being waived. We're not seeing no repairs. We're not seeing SIPs. We're not seeing a bunch of that crap that we were seeing. Not the crap, a lot of sellers got to take advantage of that. Hopefully some of your buyers got the homes you truly wanted. But today what I want to talk about is when it comes to actually buying, and now that you buyers are able to get into the request for repairs situation of a property, I want to cover the difference between a upgrade and a repair. So when you buy a home, you do a home inspection, and the home inspector will call out a laundry list of items. Sometimes it's just little deferred maintenance. Sometimes it's a big item, a roof, plumbing, electrical box, I don't know, the foundation's cracked, something major comes up on a property. But the difference between a repair, when you do an inspection, you ask for repairs. So if something's broken, you ask for it. Broken window, hey, we want a new window. The water's not draining in the kitchen, hey, we want the drain to be clogged and properly working when we move in. These are repairs. So that's a repair. Something's broken, it's obviously not functioning, it's cracked, it's broken, it's not serving its purpose. You repair it, you fix it, you ask for that. That's what you ask for. You take that home inspection, you write this list on request repairs, and you submit it to the selling agent so he can present it to his seller and say, hey, there are some items in your property and this is what the buyer wants fixed. Now, that's a request for repair. A repair that's something that's broken on the property versus an upgrade. So what would that be? That would be the inspector says, hey, the roof, I don't see any leaks. However, it's about 18 years old. You probably have a good 2-3 years left on that roof. If a buyer says, hey, we want a new roof, there's only 2 to 3 years left on that roof. That's an upgrade. A repair would be if it's leaking, if there's missing tile or missing composition, and you want that repaired back to the functional operation of that particular issue, that would be a repair. An upgrade would say, hey, nothing's wrong with it. It's actually functioning properly and perfectly. However, we want a new one because it's going to go out in a few years. That's an upgrade. Or an upgrade would be, oh, you have a heating system in the house. Well, we want an AC unit as well. We want to add AC. That's an upgrade. If someone says, hey, the Zinsco electrical panel. Perfect example. You real estate agents that have worked in San Diego and sold property, especially in Mission Valley, some of those condos down there, most of those condo complexes have dealt with a Zinsco panel. Perfect example. Inspector will call it the Zinsco. Say there's a recall on it. You should budget and put aside money to replace this panel. The buyers will say, hey, we want a new panel. That is an upgrade. It's a perfectly functioning electrical box, electrical unit, and it's fine. It could last for 30 years, 20 years, or yeah, possibly could maybe malfunction the next year or two. However, in the current operating condition, it is working. And so if you try to get that replaced, that's considered an upgrade. And to be honest, in this market, I don't think that we've shifted so far to a buyer's market that you can actually ask for upgrades. You can ask for repairs, and sometimes the seller's still gonna say no to major repairs, or even small repairs. However, you still can ask for them. So I want people to understand the difference between a repair and an upgrade. The farther we get into a buyer's market, the more you can ask for. However, still in today's market, I truly believe you should still only ask for repairs, especially if there's multiple offers and a lot of interest in that property. So again, repairs, upgrades, know the difference, especially when you're a realtor. You do not want to blow a deal, but you do want to get repairs made. Jeff Discher on Facebook, Jeff Discher on YouTube. I sell real estate, Instagram. See you guys next time.